Oh yeah, today is competition day.
Yep, it's practice right now. We're going in.
We have Ryder ready to go, and Avery is also ready. There's practice today. Yeah, getting ready to go in and do their practice runs here on competition day. Grandma is helping Avery.
Chicken salad, we can do that too.
I want crackers and meat.
That's fine.
What's this?
And here's the bracelet Scooby had.
So the competition is about to begin now. They're preparing the track, and all the drivers are out here for a drivers meeting before they start the competitions.
Of Middleton in second, Classic on the 279 in third, the 43X of Kelly Elton in fourth.
That little orange helmet there, he's another kid from Montana.
Front. The 831 grab the hooks off early, lead 24 behind them.
They're so awesome with all these parents.
Paxton McNeil, yes, and I am not going to be able to read. And trigger flag.
With the orange helmet. Time is the race.
Little Ryder going down. That's going to be the number 20. What? 20? Nope, that's 20. That's either Burger or Heath.
Now she comes around the car. There she goes. Ooh, Obi. Come on! Great. Yeah, it's race day, and Ryder is ready for his first run. He's number 3 from the right. The 961 white helmet. And up they go. He got a good start. He got a really good start.
So 127 last year going in around a whole shot early lead.
Got stopped behind the
Followed
crash.
by Vincent on the 810. Drop on the
Crash, but he was behind him.
545. Gary on the 8. Fountain on the 300.
Man, what a bummer. He got stuck behind the crash. rider, go. Avery is ready for her race. This is her real race. I see she's with 861. Oh, Avery, she's ready, I can tell. She's on it. Oh, she's gonna get fast. Number 2.
On that 26, gonna get a
Holy
great
smokes,
start
Avery.
out of the gate.
That was
Taking
a
the
good
whole
start,
shot
Avery.
early lead. Followed by the 9:28 of Peterson.
Come on,
The
Avery.
6:10 of Johnson. Cody Johnson in third. Day 61 of Avery White in fourth. The 772 of Pete in fifth. These on the 772 makes their way up to fourth. Oh, Cody Johnson goes to the inside.
Avery, come on, Avery. You're doing so good. And we are heading back to the camper for a little break. Get some lunch. All the kiddos need their belly full.
Good job.
And here's Patrick and Karma's trailer that they travel with.
You guys are all make it to me.
They have it set up,
Even you. Oh.
transporting their motorcycles. Have a little kitchen.
And they also.
Hey, there we have Avery. And Grandma. Soki and AC. And Karma.
Come on, go. Move it. Let them in. Come on.
Hi, Yogi.
You want to take pictures?
Hi, AC. I think you just put them all the way,
I see it. Yeah, good job,
all
buddy.
the way down
This
to.
one.
Let me see. There are 2 long ones. Let me show you.
Long
All
one.
these, like this one here. That's a long one. And they go. You can see there's one open, and then it goes next to
It's
it.
not bad outside.
Sitting there, number 3 from the right, yellow jersey and a green motorcycle, 161.
Chris Rang out of Gillette, Wyoming on Kawasaki. The 161 of Patrick White on
Woohoo!
the 112. Next lead rider just about to come out of the gate.
Yeah, he got a good start, Patrick.
And it's going to be
Come on, he's in the lead.
Patrick White on the
Yeah, come on, Patrick.
shot. And here comes Stewart on the 405.
Come on, Patrick.
Trying to make the last round.
Whoa! Oh, yeah!
We got guys touched up
He
there.
keeps the lead.
Yeah, your leaders are your 2 heat race
Woo,
leaders.
Patrick!
Patrick White winning 1 heat and Kelly Stewart winning heat number 2.
Oh, man, they're battling there.
Brandon came out front. Stewart. That's going to take over first.
Come on, Patrick. Take it.
Patrick White on the 161. Taking out 2 seconds. Brandon Scala showing in third. And there's Bill Storm on the 83 and sitting at 4th.
Oh, he's going for it. Look at that.
On the 409 out front, we got White in second, followed by the 33 of Scala.
Oh, what a battle there.
And
there's another guy coming.
36 just ahead of the 43 of Nelson.
Come on, Patrick, you can do it.
The 733 of Scala going to make the pass for the lead. Coming around right in front of the grandkids, ladies and gentlemen, the 733 out. Ryder going down back through the middle rhythm section before the finish line. We'll make sure he's okay. Stewart on the 405 up front. That's Stallman moving way up to third on the 433. Patrick White on the 161 third. We're going to have him roll this section. Make sure no one gets landed on each other down right underneath the EMTs over here. Right before the finish line, EMTs.
Yeah, I think he got hurt.
Race on the 405.
Somebody crashed there.
Stalla gonna grab second. White on the one.
She fell asleep in the middle of all this noise.
The three of Maryland.
Awesome.